Hi you guys, it's Mila from Munchkin Time, and today I want to show you how to make dairy-free banana pancakes. In a mixing bowl, combine 2 cups of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of salt, 4 teaspoons of baking powder. Now whisk it all together and set aside. Next, in a different bowl, mash 4 bananas. Then add 2 eggs. Pour in 4 tablespoons of olive oil. And add 2 cups of almond milk. Then whisk it all together. Add dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and whisk it until everything's combined. After, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then add 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook on a medium heat until golden color. We like to serve our banana pancakes with maple syrup. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Please give us a thumbs up if you did, and we'll see you guys later. Bye!